Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Fairstone personal loan review are down in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using their services. Fairstone is a long-standing Canadian lending institution specializing in personal loans tailored for those who might not meet traditional bank loan criteria. They offer both secured and unsecured loan options, with amounts ranging from a modest $500 up to a substantial $50,000. Repayment terms are flexible, spanning from 6 months to 10 years. Interest rates are determined by the specific loan type and the borrower's credit history, typically falling between 19.99% and 39.99% April. While these rates are admittedly higher than those offered by traditional banks, they are considerably lower than payday loan rates, positioning Fairstone as a viable middle ground solution for borrowers with fair to good credit standings. Applying for a loan is a simple process. Fairstone provides a convenient online pre-qualification tool that allows you to see potential loan offers without impacting your credit score. Unsecured loans can be funded within 24 to 48 hours of approval. Secured loans, which utilize home equity as collateral, offer more attractive interest rates and larger loan amounts but require a slightly longer processing time. Monthly payments are fixed and, importantly, there are no prepayment penalties, enabling borrowers to repay their loans ahead of schedule and save on interest charges. Fairstone loans are particularly well suited for individuals requiring access to credit who may not qualify for loans from major banks. This makes them a good option for debt consolidation, unexpected emergency expenses, or financing significant purchases. However, due to the higher APRs, it's essential to carefully evaluate your ability to repay the loan before submitting an application. Borrowers with excellent credit may find more favorable interest rates with traditional lenders. However, Fairstone offers a valuable alternative for those needing structured borrowing options without resorting to high-cost payday loans. In summary, Fairstone stands as a dependable choice for personal loans in Canada. They offer flexibility, swift approvals, and accessible loan products for borrowers with diverse credit profiles. If a Fairstone loan sounds like a potential solution for your financial needs, be sure to check the links in the description for more details and explore the available options to see if it's the right fit for you.